Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining. Today we are starting a brand new series. This time it is Azure AI Masterclass. I have an expert on this call who is going to help us kick off the journey to Azure AI. His name is Daniel. He works at Microsoft. I'm pleased to welcome him on this channel. I'm handing over to Daniel to introduce himself.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for being here. I am Dan Scott-ryansford. I am a partner tech strategist at Microsoft. I've been at Microsoft 5 years. I also wear another hat, which is I am the AI champ for partner on Australia. For Australia and New Zealand partners. I've been working in the AI space for the last couple of years and have been part of this huge transition to the era of AI.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Daniel. So we're going to take a step by step rather than cramming all of these Azure AI stuff into one single call. We're going to
Yeah.
break these components into different aspects. So today, Daniel is going to talk about the foundational or fundamental aspects of Azure AI. That's where we're going to start. Okay.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
All right. As we have all seen over the last 18 months, we have entered the era of AI. And I don't think anyone is surprised by what we're seeing now, but it has been a very fast transition. Over the last 18 months, we saw, of course, ChatGPT released, we saw the evolution of GPT-4, we saw image models like DALI, and now we're moving into the era of multimodal models with models generating video, such as the fantastic OpenAI Sora model. But what we want to cover in the next little while is the basics of what is a large language model, what's a foundational model, or what we're now hearing called frontier models. How do they work? How do you get access to them? And what are the basics you need to know to use this amazing technology in your applications um, and deliver really differentiating features to your users? So it's only been 18 months really since these models came out, but if we look at what we saw 18 months ago, we can go back to the Arthur C. Clarke quote: any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. I don't know about you, but 18 months ago when I first got my hands on GPT-3, it was magic. It was a completely game-changing technology, and I think it hasn't changed from still being magic. Every time I use this technology, I feel it is close to magic.